Hello everyone, my name is Baby Anby Tario from Bachelor of Elementary Education Level 3, and together with my friend, we both adopted this tree or Guyabano tree. Our adopted tree can be found and located at the sides of elementary school. We choose Guyabano tree, or also known as Babana in Ilonggo, and the scientific name is Annona moricata. I remember we also planted this tree before in Science Technology Society. I guessed with my classmates before. I am happy to see this tree that grows, and I can almost see that naapektuhan siya ng weather dahil napakainit talaga ng panahon. So we are here to adapt and to take care of this tree. As we visit our adopted tree, tinanggal po namin yung mga damo sa gilid ng Guyabano para mas maaliwalas po ang paligid at mas maganda po ang paglaki ng ating adopted na Guyabano tree. Aside sa pagtanggal po ng damo sa ating Guyabano tree, we also cultivate the soil. At binibinyagan po ng aking kasama dahil yung lupa po sa ilalim ay hindi pa siya totally basa. So, maaapektuhan po ang pagtubo ng ating Guyabano, kaya mas mabuting basang-basa talaga yung roots ng ating Guyabano tree. And based on my research, according to the Department of Science and Technology or DOST, aside from being rich in carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and vitamin C, B1 and B2, the fruit Guyabano provides high flavonoid content, which is a phytonutrient that has beneficial anti-inflammatory effects while protecting our cells from oxidative. And here are also the 5 health benefits we can get from Guyabano. First, healthy digestion. Second, potential anti-carcinogenic effects. Third, fights inflammation, stabilize blood pressure, and may fight against bacteria. We water the plants again as they grow, including for photosynthesis, for cooling, and to transport minerals and nutrients from the soil and into the plant.